So, you want to make more money as a life coach and go out there and sign up your first paying client so you can start getting paid what you're worth? Well, then this video is for you.
We all win when we all win. We all win when we all win.
Hey there, my friend. I'm Super Sid, the Marketing Shaman, and I help life coaches and healers generate and create their first or next 10K paydays where they go out and generate more than $10,000 for their life coach and healing businesses using profitable presentations. And in today's video, we're specifically going to be talking about how you can go out there and make more money as a life coach. You can go out there and sign up your first client and start getting paid what you're worth using profitable presentations. Without any further ado, let's rock and roll. All right, so first things first, why are you as a life coach going to get paid to begin with, right? We got to remember, as life coaches, who are we looking to go out there and serve, right? Well, as life coaches, what we're looking to do, right, is a life coach is going to be someone who goes out there and they help people within three major core markets. Those three core markets are going to be health, wealth, or relationships, and we want to make sure that we go out there inside one of those core markets and that we pick a perfect profitable niche. We have a full tutorial on being able to pick your perfect profitable niche here on this channel, so you can go check that out after watching this video. But you want to pick your perfect profitable niche where you can identify a specific problem, right, with a group of people inside that core market of health, wealth, or relationships, and then you want to make sure you go out there and you serve, right, that specific group of people and the problem that they have, so you can go out there and every single day be in front of people who have that problem so that you can look to help them with the offer that you're going to then create, a specific irresistible life coaching offer that you're going to create so that those people who have that problem are going to feel absolutely stupid at saying no to it. And then we want to make sure that we go out there and we build communication, right, or messaging or messages where we can communicate with that group of people who have that problem so that they can be attracted to us, start walking toward us, and ultimately start raising their hand so they can start asking for our help more. All right, so now you know exactly what a life coach is and specifically why you're going to be getting paid as a life coach to begin with. Let's specifically talk about how you're going to be able to go out there and sign up more clients. Well, ultimately, right, you're signing up a client because they have a problem and they ultimately have a goal of either solving that problem or ultimately getting to a goal that they have, right, and they're having a problem to getting to that goal they have. So again, you're meeting them like here and they want to get here, but they can't get here because there's a problem here. You are going to show them a solution, or you're going to show them or be a guide that's going to not only help them get right to the goal or the target they want to get to, but you're ultimately going to usually be able to help them get there faster if they were doing it on their own or if they were doing it with someone else. So we want to make sure that we understand when we're looking to sign up people, it's going to be how many people can we show that transformational story to, and specifically how many people can we demonstrate how we can help them by actually helping them. And the way that we do that over here and the way that we teach our life coaches to do this is to be able to do it at mass every single week, is to be able to put on profitable presentations that are going to be able to put you in front of multiple people every single week that are going to have specific problems that you are going to be able to help through the solution and the offer that you're going to be able to provide. And we're going to be talking to you about what a profitable presentation is and exactly how you can start signing up people from profitable presentations here in the next segments. Before I talk to you about profitable presentations and specifically how you can sign up multiple clients as a life coach every single week using profitable presentations for your life coaching business, I want to remind you to subscribe to this channel. I'm putting new and exciting videos out every single day showing life coaches and healers how they can make their first or next, right, 10K payday, right, where they go out there and they generate $10,000 for their life coach and healing business here in the next 30 days or less with profitable presentations. Make sure to click that button below and subscribe. All right, so we've talked about specifically what a life coach is, specifically why life coaches are going to get paid, and specifically why you are going to get paid and how you can get paid more money, right, and how you can go out there and make more money because simply you're going to be in front of more people. Let's now talk about specifically what a profitable presentation is and how you can go out there every single week and put on a profitable presentation to where you are not only going to be able to help people every single week, but you're going to be able to sign up new clients every single week using a profitable presentation. So what a profitable presentation is going to be is where you go out there, right, and you usually go out there with either a workshop or you're going to go out there with a masterclass, or you're going to go out there with an online summit, or you're going to go out there with a challenge, right? Or even possibly a live event. But you're going to put on some sort of event where you're going to invite, right, people who need your help, and you're going to be promoting this event where you can help people at this event every single week or consistently so that you can invite people to this event, have them come to this event, and ultimately at this event help them solve a problem that they have. What we want to do is after we get done solving that problem, we simply want to ask if they want to help with getting our help more at the end of that presentation. And what we want to make sure that we do during that presentation is actually help people. The cool part is when we go to a presentation or we go to any place, right, and we help people with solving a specific problem that they haven't been able to solve in the past, a lot of times when they get help with getting help with that specific problem, they're going to be in what we classify as a yes state. That yes state means it's going to be a lot easier for us to get them to say yes to us right when we ask to continually help them more. They're already there. They wanted to get our help and we already helped them. Now it's just a matter of if they want to get to that goal that we said we could help them get to begin with. And a lot of times, multiple people at those profitable presentations every single week will be ready to say yes, will raise their hand, and will sign up with you so that they can start getting your help as a life coach at the end of that profitable presentation. All right, so we talked about profitable presentations. Let's talk about specifically how you can make a lot of sales from them. Well, we talked about what happens at the profitable presentations. That's going to be your number one way to make sales. You're going to go out there and you're going to ask people to sign up with you to start continually getting more of your help so that they can reach that goal a lot faster, right, that they have, that you can help them get to. But ultimately, right, there's going to be some people that even after presenting the perfect offer, even after going out there and helping them during the profitable presentation, they still might need a little bit more help, or they still might need to be talking to where you can show them to customize, right, that profitable presentation, or they might just honestly want to come back to another profitable presentation. So our two goals that we want to make sure that we're doing at the end of this profitable presentation is that we make sure to reach out to everybody and we either get them on a private phone call with us, and yeah, we usually are going to keep these very limited. We don't want to hop on tons of phone calls, but we got to remember that these are people that came to the profitable presentation, they gave us their time, and they genuinely wanted our help. So there's going to be a good chance that these people, right, are going to want to take action, and if they're not ready to take action right now, will let us know when they're ready to take action so we can have them in the pipeline to follow up with them and consistently help them with profitable presentations until they're ready to sign up. But this keeps them in front of us. This keeps them, right, and us at the top of their mind. And that way, when they're ready to go, we're able then, right, to simply reach out to them. They're going to reach out to us and say they're ready to go. We also want to make sure, again, that we're scheduling, one-on-one calls with people so that we can specifically customize what it is that we went over with them during that profitable presentation. And after customizing it for their specific business or for their specific situation, we're able to then show them specifically how what it is that we showed them in that profitable presentation is going to be able to help them, or a lot of times going to be able to sign them up on those calls after the profitable presentations. Are you a life coach looking to make more money, or possibly looking to go out there and start your life coaching business successfully? Well, I just got done with a free report that I call, right, my 10 winningest life coaching niches free report, which is going to go over with you the top 10 niches in life coaching today and how you can use them in your business to go out there and make more money quickly. You can click on that link down there in the description to grab your copy of this free report absolutely free. And don't forget, we all win when we all win. I choose to win today, and I hope you choose to win by clicking on that link down there in the description and grabbing your free copy of this free report, the 10 winningest life coaching niches in the marketplace right now, so you can go out there and start making more money. We'll see you in the next video.